Syncro System access ramps let you load and unload heavy equipment safely and with a minimum of effort. Two types of ramp are available: fixed and removable. Light-duty removable ramps can be installed in all models of van. These ramps come with a quick fitting system and have load capacities of 200 to 500 kilograms. They attach securely to floor plates at the rear doors. Fitting and removal take only a few seconds, and the ramps are easy to extend and position. Tapered sections at either end facilitate access even for low machines or ones with small wheels. These ramps fold away easily for storage inside the van after use. Syncro fixed ramps come in hundreds of different models and sizes, with load capacities up to 1800 kilograms. These extremely robust ramps are permanently installed at the van's rear doors, but are still easy to extend and position. High load capacities are guaranteed by supports at the join between the ramp sections. Some models incorporate a mechanism that allows the ramp to be released on one side and swung outwards, providing unrestricted access to the back of the van. Light series ramps are also available. These weigh only 40 kilograms and have a load capacity of 400 kilograms or 600 kilograms for Light Plus models. All these ramps have tapered sections at either end to permit the transit of equipment with wheels of any size. The ramp is fixed to the van with a rapid attachment system that facilitates transfer from one van to another. To make loading and unloading heavy equipment even easier, ramps can be complemented by a winch that generates up to 1,587 kilograms of traction and comes complete with cable and steel hook. The winch can be operated from a remote control. Syncro winches run off a 12-volt power supply and consume very little energy.